Time for dinner. Camp cooking, one pot, chicken stir fry. I got some chicken breasts there. Pretty decent sized chicken breast. Just cut into slices, not too thin, not too thick. A heap of veggies. So we got onion, carrot, beans, mushrooms, capsicum and chilli. Don't be too fussed about how you chop it. I just chopped everything into kind of sticks, except the mushrooms, they're chopped a bit different. Cut them up however you like them. Make them chunky so it'll stay firm and tasty. So let's get started. There's a fair whack of food there. So I'm going to cook it up in the Dutch oven. Gave me a good excuse to give it a good clean out, re-season it. There's plenty of room there. Move things about, get them cooked nicely. While we're heating the pan, a little bit of oil. Now, as always, just have to wait for the pot to heat up. So the pot's nice and hot, starting to smoke up a bit in there. We'll put in the chicken. Just move it around a bit with your spoon to separate the bits. Give it a little bit of seal on the outside. Just colour it up a little bit. So we'll just give that a couple of minutes, get some colour in there. Righto, it's sealed up there now. Not cooked too much. Time to chuck in all the veggies. Just chuck them all in together. So you can see why I'm using the pot instead of the pan. It'll take a little bit of cooking with a fair bit in there. And once you get the condiments in there and the sauces, it'll cook a lot quicker. And the pan is a bit slow. The stove's a bit slow, as always. That's all right. We'll just let it sit there for a bit and cook away by itself. We'll get back to you later. So the veggies have had a few minutes in there, more simmering rather than frying, but that's okay. It is camp cooking, but time to put in a little bit of curry powder just to give it all a bit of warmth. And that finishes off the tin. You can put in as much as you like, make it as hot as you want, or as mild as you want. If you don't like curry, fine, don't put it in. Give it all a good stir through. Mix it all nicely. Let it all cook a bit longer. Yeah, we've still got fire there. That's all happening a bit slowly. So I've moved it to the big burner. Hopefully get things happening a bit quicker. Really, it doesn't take long. That's all pretty much ready for the other ingredients now. Got some soy sauce. A little bit of that. Bit of fish sauce. Great flavour enhancer. Used sparingly. And some good old golly sauce. Give it a bit of consistency. And flavour, of course. A little bit of pepper. A little bit of salt. Give it a mix through. Make sure it's all mixed evenly. And just bring it up to the boil. And there you go. Didn't take long. Smells great. And we can turn it off. Onto the blue plate of destiny. Bit more of the liquid there. And we'll call that dinner. So, sort of a chicken stir fry. Absolutely beautiful. Big chunk of chicken first. Beautifully cooked. Moist, tasty. Veggies. Mm. 10 minutes prep time. 10 minutes cooking time. Delicious, nice and easy. Take longer to do the dishes than it did to make the entire dish. You've got all your veggies so your mum won't get cranky. You've got your protein. Nice and chunky. Truly delicious. Anyway, not going to make you watch me use it all. Give it a go. You'll love it. It's nice to get lots of fresh veggies. When you're on the road a bit, you tend to get a bit light on the veggies. Okay, enjoy. Catch you later.